2 weeks ago, I went to the herd that I have been watching for a few months. I expected that the birth of babies would start soon, but some of the herd were still giving in the bouchery. So I gave up last week, and that was my mistake, unfortunately, because today I went to the location before the next escapade, and to my surprise, 4 babies appeared.
That moment can happen because just little one show up. So actually I see right now 1, 2, 3, 4 little babies. 4 little babies, look at them. Look over there.